Interesting facts about earthquakes. 1. There are several million earthquakes annually. 2. Earthquakes occur when the plates get stuck but keep trying to move. 3. Before an earthquake, foreshocks might occur. 4. After an earthquake, aftershocks are likely to happen. 5. The place where an earthquake starts is called the hypocenter. 6. The ground above where an earthquake starts is called the epicenter. 7. An earthquake can affect the length of a day. 8. The shockwaves that travel through the ground are called seismic waves. 9. Causing the Earth to rotate faster, and shortening a day by 1.8 microseconds. 10. San Francisco is moving toward Los Angeles at the rate of 2 inches per year. 11. Standing water smells before an earthquake. 12. Inca in traditional Japanese architecture was designed with earthquakes in mind. 13. The Pacific Ocean is the root of most earthquakes. 14. An earthquake caused Everest to shrink. 15. On April 25, 2015, a magnitude 7.8 earthquake happened in Nepal, causing Everest to shrink by 1 inch. 16. The strongest ever earthquake was in Chile, in the year 1960. 17. It happened in Chile on 22nd of May, 1960. 18. It was a 9.5 on the moment magnitude scale. 19. Japan is the country where most earthquakes occur. 20. Animals can sense earthquakes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment.